Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have some exciting news for you. My mini digital cookbook, All Things Chocolate, is finally live and available to buy. Pretty exciting. And so you can buy it a couple different ways. You can buy it on my Etsy shop, and the Etsy version is a PDF version. And so the layout is a little bit different. So you can go down below this video and there's a link to the Etsy shop. You can click on that and that will take you to the Etsy shop, and you can see the book there, and you can just put it in your cart and buy it, and then you'll have a digital download that you can download to your computer and you'll have the book. Or if you prefer Amazon, there's a link for the Amazon version as well. You can just click on that and it'll take you to the Amazon version, and the layout is a little bit different because it's meant for the Kindle. But if you don't have a Kindle and you have like your phone or a iPad, you can get the Kindle reader. I'm sure you're familiar with that, and you can use it on that as well. So either one of those is a great way to buy that, and that's a great way to support the show. You can show your support by picking up the book, and you'll get some awesome recipes in return. Pretty neat. Also, my other announcement is I have some merchandise. Isn't that cool? I got some merchandise. So down below most of the videos, you can find like a banner that shows different merchandise that I have available. It doesn't show all of it. It only shows a handful of the selection. And what you can do is you can click on any of those, and that will take you to the Teespring store that I have where these are available. And also in that store, if you go to the Teespring store directly, I'll put that link down below as well, you will find a lot more different types of designs and whatnot. So pretty awesome. That's another great way to support the show, especially if you like some of the sayings that I do in this show. Let's get baking, or if I can do it, you can do it, or chocolate lover, bacon lover. You know, there's different things related to that kind of stuff. There's mugs, there's t-shirts, there's hoodies, there's a tote. Pretty cool little selection. Doesn't have everything that I want. Eventually, when I get my website going, I'll have more stuff available that you can get. But hopefully you'll find something that you like, and that's another great way to support the show and help me to make more videos. Like, once again, I really appreciate all your support. Appreciate you watching the videos and commenting and just sharing your experiences with the dishes and recipes. It just makes me feel good, especially when you're successful. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Take care.